Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VBIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. What do I mean by 30-minute? If you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's monster movement, definitely updates need to be done. So let me do a little house cleaning here. Sure, these lines that I'm deleting still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas is now sitting right there at 79 cents. And that's what I would call the ideal level. Let me say, Clay, what make this chart look the best going forward? Well, I mean, ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above 79, that would be a massive sign of power. Don't get me wrong, though. It's not like if the price falls below that area, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay above that level, that would certainly be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 79 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I don't care. What do I mean by that? Well, they don't really matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. If you just look at where the lows have been, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, as long as the lows just keep getting higher and higher and those stair steps keep getting constructed in the upwards direction, then given it enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations, focus on those stair steps, and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.